class 9 students. Now I'll do factorization 5a. These are the sums. Last day I did few sums from the beginning. Today I will do few sums from this end. See sum number 16. These two I am bringing in between these two. Then what will happen? We have to break down. A means a square. 1 by a square means 1 by a whole square. So this I consider as A, this as B. Then 2 you bring in the middle. It can be written as a square plus 2 into a into b. That means this cut. If I actually I am not cutting, I am showing you. Then what is left? 2. Then 2 is left. So this 2 can be written as this. That means a square minus 2ab plus b square formula here. A minus b whole square formula that I have written. And these 2 you take 3 common. Then this plus sign will be minus here. Now see this a minus 1 by a is common. This whole square means 2 times we can write. And here it is. Now see a minus 1 by a both place it is there. So you take common. So here this one left and here this minus 3 left. So there are 2 factors you got. So this is the answer. Now here this 2xy you bring in between x square and y square. So here is the formula x plus y whole square. X square plus 2xy plus y square. So this is x plus y whole square. And this x plus y you write there at last. Take one common. Then see here x plus y whole square can be written as 2 times. And see x plus y take common. This one and this one take common. So this x plus y left and here 1 left. So this is the product of 2 expressions. That is done. Then this one 4ab. This 4ab you bring inside a square and 4b square. Then here can be written a square and here 2b whole square. And in between this one a square minus 2 into a into b. B means 2b plus b square means 2b whole square. So this is a minus 2b whole square formula. And here you can take 3 common. Then a minus 2b you take common. Then here 2 are there. One you have taken common. So another is left. Here 2 are there, one is taken, another is left, and minus 3 is there. So that is the answer. And here you take 6 minus 5y common. Here 2 are there. So if you take one common, then another will be there. Here this x and 4 into 2 6x minus 5y, one is taken, another is there. So multiply this 4 inside. And this minus into minus will be plus. And here opposite sign we have to subtract. Plus and here minus. This plus and minus you have to subtract. Opposite sign subtract. So 24 minus 1, that is 23. Sign of greater than is minus, so you have to give here minus. That is the answer. Here one more sum I am showing you, this sum. You can take 2 common here. Then see x plus 1, here also x plus 1 2 times. So this 2 into x plus 1 if you take common, then here it is 1 only. Nothing is means 1. And here 2 into 16, that is 32. So here 16. And x plus y whole square. So 1 I have taken, then another is left. That is done. One more sum I am showing you. From this group you take 3a square b common. You have done this sum in class 8. Then you see 3 2s are, so 2 left. A square taken, so 1 a left. B already taken. From here 3 taken, a square taken, b taken, so only 1b left. And from here you take ab common. Then 2a left and ab common means b left. This sign minus become plus. Now see this one and this one same. So take common. So 3a square b here and ab there. So that is the answer. That's all for this video.